Matthews, and today plan I'm gonna find a waterfall called Chao. Yeah. So see you guys at Chao. Now I'm on the road to the Chao waterfall, and yeah, went to breakfast and asked some local where the waterfall is, but they asked me that where are you from, and I'm like, I'm from Phnom Penh, and they calling you like, nah, you are not from Phnom Penh, you are not from far, but like further than that. I'm like, okay. Wait, I need to check the map. I'm on the right road. Wow, it's 10 kilometers more. It's 10 kilometers more. I think I should not stop at Stung Trai. I just go past it, and I think I should not stop at Stung Trai. I just go past it and head straight to Brava here and crash in the Brava here for 2 nights, so I can enjoy the temple for much longer. And after that, I'm heading to Siem Reap. And anyway, look at the view, guys. Ôn play này tới chùa Trà Ôn men. Bát. Tới mốc à? Bát. Okay. Around the waterfall, but I don't see the waterfall. Why? Where is it? Where is the waterfall? Where is the freaking waterfall? Yep. I'm at the place called Cha Ong waterfall. It's quite beautiful, you know. It's easy to access. I mean, accessible. Not this one. Don't worry, not this one. But wait for it. This one. I'm afraid of height, guys, but yeah, it's for you guys. That is the waterfall. Not much water though, because like this month is not a rainy season, so there's not much water in it. And you know, I kinda hate when people are riding shit on a place like this. Hate it. Not a fan of it. We have 3 waterfalls around that area, around that waterfall that I went to. I forgot the name already. Fuck me. There are 3 waterfalls, but I only could find that one, and I don't really have time to go all of the 3 because I need to head directly to Prairie here. I hope I can arrive before sun goes down, and yeah, look at the road. I love it. Woo! ចេញពីខេត្តមួយទៅដល់ខេត្តមួយរូបខ្ញុំមិនព្រួយព្រោះខ្ញុំមាន CBR មួយ Yo! Woo! Love the adventure. My shoulders is hot. Oh, the backpack is a bit heavy. And I'm hungry, and I want to pee, and yeah, it's not a bad thing though. These are what to expect when you are on a road trip, you know, when you are on a bike, like 1,000 and 1,000 kilometers on a bike. Yeah, I think I have like 40 or 50 kilometers more until I reach Stung Trai cities, and I'm gonna rest there like 2 hours, 1 or 2 hours, and then continue straight to Prairie here. Yeah, I'm gonna push myself to the limit today. This is it. This is the city, the Stung Trai cities. Just stop at the Stung Mekong Riverside in Stung Trai city and having a coconut with the roulette and sausage grill as a lunch, and then after this I'm gonna rest a little bit, take a time-lapse shot of this. Take a time-lapse shot of this view and heading to Prairie. Yeah. Had lunch, and right now I'm going to. Right now I'm continue riding to Prairie here, which is 140 kilometers away from here. Look at the fucking bridge! This is Mekong River, guys! Mekong River! See that? I'm in a paradise right now. I feel like I'm the happiest man in the world right now. We're at the border between Stung Trai province and Prairie province. I still have 70 kilometers to go. I'm gonna rest a little bit and take photos, some shit like that. Yeah. Wildfire. Wow. What the fuck is this bird? Today I was 300 kilometers in total from Bandung city to Prairie city. Right now I just found a guest house called Soka guest house, so I'm gonna go there, check it in, take a shower, take a nap, and edit the vlog. Yeah. Miền Phật tốt vậy?
Mãi đi. Mà bọt đấy mình miền ta.
Miền này.
Này.
Mán.
Mà cái SB à, miền mà tổ mà.
Muối.
Cái nha. Nó làm từ bờ tục sang đây.
Ok.
Không cái bọt.
Chị lên vậy đúng adventure nè anh, solo adventure. I'm gonna take a shower now and take a nap. After a nap, I'm gonna edit the vlog that you're watching right now. Okay, see you guys. Just woke up from a nap and heading for dinner. Yeah. Back from the dinners, and the fucking problem is right now this fucking laptop, 8 years old laptop of mine, it won't turn on, and I'm afraid the hard disk is fucked up. I mean the hard drive. I wish I could afford a new one. Fucking hell. I kinda did tonight, so the vlog will be delayed. I think that's it, guys, for the day vlog. And tomorrow plan is that I'm going to Brahmia Temple, which is 110 kilometers away from this city. And when I went for a dinner this evening, I met a subscriber, and maybe he wanna join me tomorrow. Yeah, today is a little bit exhausted, so yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep and see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, good night. Spin នេះស្អាតមែនហ៎មើលផែនទីផ្លូវស្រួលហើយទៅដល់ព្រះវិហារអត់ហុយទេហុយតិចៗហុយមួយកណ្ដាំកណ្ដាត់ទេ